Old can. It's a hot rod. No, don't break it off. We need it, so never mind. Two of them. How does that? I don't understand it. To the what? Old can. It's right here.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah.
GM. GM for General what?
Motors.
Motors. It is a real car. It's just.
No sold can for now.
It's a hot rod. It's a hot rod. Pull my pants up. Okay.
It doesn't run good.
Hey, hold on. It just needs gas. You get the gas. It's been sitting for a while.
This is very slow. Look, when I did this, a little dust comes out. Like poof. Magic dust.
Magic dust.
I don't know, just dust pops out of it when I
Magic dust.
have it.
Okay, get it started. Then you're gonna just grab it and start pulling on it slow.
I'm on.
Right here, watch. No, over here. Not the like this. Here. Just see how I got one chunk off. See?
Why are we taking it off?
Because we're gonna put. It's gonna get repainted. We don't want this stuff in the way.
How do I do it on the other one?
Just get it started and then just keep going with it. Oh yeah.
How do we get started?
Garbage.
Hey.
Just get there you go. Just get it started. Be careful, don't damage the steel, the metal. Nope. There you go. Well, there's nothing there. See how the glue, the tape is only at the top and bottom? Don't snap it back, it'll snap.
Okay, this is hot.
Yeah, just get your shoes on so you can put some glue. Don't push. Nice job. Hey. Good job. Other side.
That's all my strength. I feel like I'm gonna have Grinch hands.
Maybe. That's working hands. Ooh, I like it already. It looks better. I think it looks better already. Oh, nice. You good? You good?
It popped me right off.
You good?
Yeah.
We need to go. We need another GoPro. So get footage inside the shop while we're walking in and out. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, but you're doing good. Come up. What?
Your life hurts.
No, it doesn't. It's fun. Dude, nothing better than tearing a car apart. What? Man, that's pretty good too. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. No, this is fun.
But it definitely snapped me.
Good job. Maybe we can save the bow tie. Oh, don't break it off. We need it. So, never mind. Darn it! It's a good thing they're not rare.
Huh?
It's a good thing it's not rare.
Why?
Because sometimes emblems are really hard to find for older cars. It's not the case
It
here.
was fun as it lasted.
There we go. Yeah, bow tie is good.
Yes. Can I keep it?
Oh yeah, it's all yours. There you go. Ooh, it's dirty. Come on, baby.
You're right about dirty.
I think I might get a smooth one. I don't want this Texas bar top anymore. I'll get a nice smooth one. This is really good though. You could probably clean it up. Excuse me. I think they're snapped on.
How could we snap?
Man, you probably need a special tool for these. I don't have it. Okay. Uh-huh. Sure. See? Yeah. I do love my truck.
You're ripping your truck apart.
I still love it. Let's see here. One time I don't. There we go. Yeah, still. Uh-oh. Oh, I broke it. Well, I mean, that was going to happen anyway, right? Like every one of these trucks doesn't have this on it anyway. New one.
There's so much garbage back here.
You think you can peel that sticker off? Harley Davidson?
I think so.
Just grab little pieces of it and start peeling. It's Hollywood, man.
You're Hollywood.
He was a pilot in Top Gun.
What do you mean pilot and Top Gun?
Oh man. You don't know about Top Gun, huh?
What's a Top Gun?
Dun 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 dun.
Could you get up from this one?
Flying to the danger zone, dude.
What's dangerous?
Danger zone. Fly into the danger zone. What am I doing to myself? Why am I doing this? Should just pay for them to do all this, but I'm cheap. And I can't afford it anyway. I mean, those are pretty nice still. I can resell them. Nope, it's broken, dude. You can't resell it, dummy. We're going to take the bumper cover off too, because we're going to put the SS bumper on it. The SS bumper just drapes over this whole dude. Oh, that bee. How did the bee make it through? How did he make it through the transmission cooler, the air conditioning condenser, and into the radiator? Two of them. How does that? I don't understand it. How'd that bee? See the bee?
B.
Right there. There's a bee. He succumbed to the, this flight pattern interfered with the driving pattern of this truck. So he went through the grill, through this, into that. How? How is that possible?
How did he go for this?
Let's see, went over, but that impact, how do you? I mean, that's like warp speed, like Star Wars stuff right there. I don't know. I don't understand it. Let me get some needle nose. Need to whirly woo these. I gotta order one of them. Well, I didn't do anything to stop it from running. What? What do you mean? It's not supposed to be on. The other one's not on either. No, because you gotta put it in gear. Yeah. I don't think anybody's interested in seeing this part of my garage. It's not that awesome. Right? Tell me in the comments if you want to see this part of the garage. I don't think anybody does.
What do you mean comments?
In comments on the video. Of course, people need to watch the video first, but nobody seems to do that either. Yeah.
Maybe I'll get my feet a little wash.
No, don't point this at your feet.
I'm kidding.
Where's on? Why is it doing that? What is that noise? Come on, you. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Almost blew all my little things to who knows where. Berkeley? I think that's going to do it for the day. We were able to get all the trim off, all the bed caps, the grill, the side molding, tailgate molding. I got all the pieces pulled off of the inside to get to the mirror. So day of, I'll be able to pull the mirrors and get ready for paint. So what do you think, Tobe? How did we do?
Good.
Yeah?